Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Antec A30 CPU Cooler. We're looking at the front side of the packaging where we can see what the CPU cooler looks like. And they've called out a couple of features on the front, namely that it uses a silent LED fan. The copper pipes that are running through the fin stack make direct contact with the surface on which it's supposed to cool. And it offers a universal socket compatibility. That means whether it's Intel or AMD, this CPU cooler should be able to cool whatever CPU is installed in any of the modern sockets, be it LGA or PGA. On this side, you have the specifications in Japanese and Spanish, whereas on the other side, you have the specifications in English. So the fan speed is rated for 1750 RPM with a tolerance of 10%. Dimensions are 125 by 86.5 by 73 millimeters. Airflow is 36 cubic feet per minute. Weight is 296 grams. Noise, I guess this is peak or average noise, is 20 decibels. And the materials used happen to be two 6mm high efficiency heat pipes along with aluminium fins. The fan dimensions is 92 by 92 by 25 millimeters. This thing is expected to last for 50,000 hours before it will show any signs of failure. And the sockets that are compatible include LGA 775, 1150, 1151, 1155, 1156. And for AMD, this includes the FM1, AM3+, AM3, AM2+, AM2, and the latest AM4. On this side, we can see some of the features being stated more clearly, that it has direct contact with the heating surface. Then you've got a 9cm high quality LED fan. You've got strong heat pipes for stronger heat dissipation. And you've got a cooling area of 43 by 86 millimeters. That is the fin stack top part. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. So on the inside, you have a little instruction manual letting you know how you can go about installing the cooler. This has steps for both AMD as well as Intel. Then you've got a mounting bracket. This is going to be used for installing the cooler or mounting it. Then there's a little QA inspection note or sticker. Then you've got plungers for mounting this onto Intel or AMD sockets. There's also a bit of thermal paste provided with the cooler. This is quite standard. Then you've got the cooler itself. The fan comes pre-mounted and it uses these silicone prongs to reduce vibration. You can see how massive the fin stack is. And you have two copper pipes. So these two go all the way down and then along the heating surface or the cooling surface, and then climb back up the fin stack. The fan is arranged in a push configuration, so air will be pushed from this side through the fin stack and out the other. Then on the bottom, you can see the cooling surface or the heating surface, basically the surface that dissipates heat. It does both. So you have both the copper heat pipes going through the aluminum base plate, and this is one solid chunk. They even have a little protective sticker that you should remove right before installing it onto your CPU. And also you should use the thermal paste. And this thing comes pre-installed with the AMD plate. So you can attach it directly to an FM3 motherboard or AM4 or whatever is the socket that you wish to. And that's it for this unboxing of the Antec A30 CPU cooler. Thank you for watching.